Why Shiba Inu should be part of your long-term investment? The lack of long-term SHIB token holders has been a major roadblock in rising of Shiba Inu's price. Shiba Inu is down by over 30% this year, yet it's advisable to have Shiba Inu as a part of long-term investment. Here are a few reasons. Number 1. Shiba Inu has failed to make much progress this year, and the price has remained slightly over $0.0002 for the most part of the year. However, one shouldn't ignore the historical data of Shiba Inu in 2021. Shiba Inu soared by a whopping 35 million %. The ongoing situation may not be favorable for a rise of Shiba Inu, but one cannot ignore the fact that once the situation improves, investors may once again flock to buying SHIB tokens. Increasing trust in the Shiba Inu's ecosystem can also be considered as one reason why Shiba should be part of long-term investment. There has been news of Ethereum whales purchasing Shiba Inu tokens in bulk. Whales are the ones who own a great deal of cryptocurrency. If the Ethereum whales are shifting to Shiba Inu, it is evidence of increasing trust for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The fact that Shiba Inu developers are transforming Shiba Inu into more than a meme token is attracting the big whales towards it. This year, Shiba Inu is believed to be launch a layer 2 scaling solution and also enter the world of metaverse. The growing acceptance of Shiba Inu token as the mode of payment can be considered as the other reason why one should have a SHIB token in the crypto wallet for the long term. Recently, MEC Series allowed its customers to make payment using Shiba Inu. Added to their news of Turkey considering Shiba Inu as the mode of payment in the country. What can cause Shiba Inu to rise to 1 cent? Number 1. Shiba Inu burn. Burn involves sending coins to a DOGE wallet. A large number of SHIB tokens need to be burned to reduce the tokens in circulation. In theory, this should increase the value of each remaining coin. Every day, several million coins are burned, but the burn rate is very low. On the 14th of February, a burn party was organized to burn millions SHIB tokens. While burn alone is not enough, such events sustain the interest of investors Shiba Inu. There are $549 and $63 billion SHIB coins in circulation at the moment. Shiba Inu is likely to launch a burn portal to speed up the process of burn. Number 2. Price rise on account of numerous Shiba Inu innovations. Shiba Inu has launched numerous innovations: Shibaverse, payment in places like MEC, Shibaswap DeFi, SHIB, and Shibarium. Shiba Inu is set to introduce its own blockchain-like transaction system Shibarium. Recently, a test run of Shibarium was done, which led to a massive spike in the price of Shiba tokens. Shibarium would be layer 2 solution like MEDI, which means that while would still be using Ethereum as layer 1 transaction speeds, and gas revenues will give a big leg up Shiba Inu. SHIB's likely launch on Robinhood will also help drive up the prices, so that is unlikely to happen in time soon. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Good luck in investing.